just gonna be standing at the door.
All right. So we got this beautiful house here.
What's going on, man?
I'm just hanging out, man. Can
You
you
wanna-
can you show me around this house? Show me what's
Sure, man. You
what's going
looking
on?
to buy it? I mean,
I just stumbled across it. I was just
okay.
hanging
I mean,
around.
yeah, sure. So let me take you. This is the front porch.
Okay.
Really. We got
Yeah.
the gay
It's
pride
pretty
banner.
nice. Was this just pink or is it like?
I mean, breast
Is
cancer.
it supposed to be like
awareness.
something on it or
It's just. I mean, it just. Yeah,
is it? Okay.
breast cancer. So as you walk in, obviously you can tell that we have a nice train track railroad
That's
system
why.
going. For fun and entertainment. When we have guests over.
Can you present that?
You want me to give you a demonstration?
Can you show me that maybe?
Absolutely. This is where the conductor stands. If you were thinking of being the conductor for me. So I'm just gonna.
So I'm the conductor.
Yes, you're the conductor. If you flip that switch, you'll turn on the
why did you
boosters.
touch that if you're not the conductor?
I didn't touch it. It was automatically doing that. Cool. Now I can go. Wee.
That's magnificent.
All right. That's the okay. So here we have our bar. Would you like a drink?
I would
anything
like.
that?
Do you have anything?
Yes, absolutely. We have plenty that you can indulge in. Here you go.
Do you actually?
Just take
What's that?
take
Is that
that.
What is
It's
this?
a jewel.
It's a fucking jewel. Can I hit this shit? bro?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a jewel. I'm also making a compass. Oh, that's a nice
bro.
jewel.
This thing fucking rips, bro. Holy shit,
Bro, can I get a hit of that, bro?
bro. Yeah, man. I got you, bro.
All right, bro. Let me see that. Oh snap! You got two of them. Let me see what's going on here. All right, hold on. Let me see exactly what we got going on here. I'm finna. Whoa, bro, that's a pretty good jewel.
Damn, bro. You feel that shit?
Bro, I already feel it.
Holy shit, bro.
We're just gonna keep these.
That's
We're
fucking
gonna keep these for later.
Holy
Yeah, we got all the.
You got
all
so many of them. They're just fucking everywhere.
Dude, they're literally everywhere, bro. We
Holy
got 'em
fuck,
all.
you're flexing.
So, here's some paintings that I self.
Yo, what's this
I
shit, bro? This
self-drew.
shit's fucking gay.
This is my bed, our bed that
What
we
the-
share together.
What the?
Where you going?
It's a little weird, man.
Here, I
I don't
mean,
even know who you are, man. I'm just like stumbling
Please.
across, and you're like fucking.
it's fine. Don't worry about it. Here,
You're like coming on to me and shit. And now I'm like,
don't even worry about it, bro. You're good.
oh, you got that jewel, bro.
Here we have some self paintings that I've drawn
That's nice. That's real nice. I like that.
in 8-bit because who doesn't like 8-bit
you drew an
drawings?
8-bit? Like,
Yes.
that's cool.
Here's another bed.
Oh,
in
this
case
is very
one of my-
dimly lit. I can't see shit.
Well, here's one of the beds in case one of my guests come over. They're welcome to sleep in that bed. Here we have the bathroom. Very nicely tight lit bathroom.
This is nice. This is nice. I like this. You want to come in? Maybe you know what I'm saying?
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
Oh, keep the hat on, you fucking weirdo.
No, dude.
You know you're nasty. You're in the whatever.
It's about obviously we got pure wood plank floors. Like
What
we
the
have to get these inspected by ticks every single day because this is like infestation. No. There's a secret behind that wall. Look right here. If you look behind, there's a bed where you can rest your little head. If you so dare. Look behind here, right here. Well, you can't really see it because it's like at night. But
I fixed it.
anyways, I still have some more paintings that I've self-drawn. Kind kind of living the dream.
That's nice. That's real nice.
Let
I
me-
like that one.
Let me take you upstairs.
What's
Let me
it?
show
Tell me
you.
about this flooring. This beautiful, delicate flooring.
Yes. So
Yeah, that looks
this is
real good.
pure rich Corinthian leather.
What's that wood? Is that
This is-
balsa?
Probably. I don't know. I got
That's
one
real
of my
nice right there.
slaves.
That's real
I mean, my
nice.
friends to do it. Let's go upstairs, shall we?
Oh, you got 2 store. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful.
This is the balcony / dining room.
This is. Oh, is this the view? Oh,
Yes.
this is great. This is.
As you can see, we have a active volcano to our
That's
directly south.
that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I fucks with it.
And here, let me take you to the top. Let me show you the best part. Now be careful, because you kind of have to make a little bit of a jump. I don't make it every time. Perfect. So here we have a premium diving board.
All right.
And this is made by strong wood, so you won't fall.
All right. You wanna go show me how you do that shit?
Sure, yeah, I'll show you how I do it. You ready for this? Here we go.
Holy
Did
moly!
you see that?
That looked like it hurt real bad.
That was just a practice. I didn't.
That. Are you sure this thing is safe?
Oh yeah, 100%. D-Hack, HIPAA, everybody. They all know it's
All
safe.
right.
Here, I'm about to just do a running jump right here. Good job.
Oh my god! Oh my god! My fucking ankles.
So if you do happen to land in the water, though, do not fret. There is a.
Do you get like an ambulance, like emergency out
Oh,
here?
God. I'm
Like
gonna
I
drown.
think I really fucked up my
I
ankles.
can't swim. I
Do you
can't actually-
guys get like anything? Fire department?
No, we live kind of like.
I
in-
literally I think I just cracked my feet in half.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, we don't do that here.
Okay.
But here, have a compass.
Oh, that's nice.
And you can have the jewel.
Oh, thank you. I really needed that. Let me just. Holy
Don't
fuck,
even worry
bro.
about it,
Oh
my
my
guy. I always
fucking
got you,
God.
bro.
Holy
I always
shit.
got you.